Hi everyone, Matthew here again. Just wanted to share a problem for week 5 that I found in an article that I was reading earlier. And I used to brew my beer, my own beer, a while ago, and one of my favorite things about the entire process was figuring out the alcoholic content of my home brew. And in order to do that, you needed a specific tool called hydrometer. And how that works is it's based on Archimedes' principle, where the weight of an object will displace that same amount of or same weight of water, and so in doing so you can actually determine in relation to water how dense something is. So for example, the hydrometer would float higher from buoyancy if the liquid was more dense than water, and then if it was less dense it would sink a little bit further and it would float lower. And so one of the ways that we figure out what our alcoholic content is, or alcohol by volume, is we use a formula that is pretty easy to follow, and it's got a couple of variables here. So you have OG, meaning the original gravity, and that's going to you're going to subtract the final gravity from that. And it's pretty easy. You just multiply it by 131.25. And so, for example, if you have your original gravity of your brew, it's going to be slightly higher than 1. 1 is the specific gravity of water. And the reason why it's higher is because you've put some more stuff into it during the brewing phase. So you've got your yeast, you've got your malt, any other ingredients that you're going to put in there, and so that's going to increase the initial density of your home brew. And so for this particular problem example, they had a original gravity of 1.05, and when they tested the final gravity using the hydrometer, they found that they had a final gravity of 1.01. So you can see that as the water and the sugar was converted into alcohol, the density actually became less than what the original density was of that. And so for this, we would go ahead and put that in parentheses, multiply it by 131.25, and we end up getting 5.25, and that is a percentage of our alcohol by volume. All right, so again, this is my second post of a problem about beer. Maybe I do have a problem. I'll talk to you everybody later. Bye.